Alright guys, here's another reason why I say now is the best time to get a home, right? I'm here at a home inspection for my client. They just got this home under contract for less than $40,000, less than the asking price, okay? The appraised value came back $40,000 below. I mean above what we are under contract for. I'm here for the home inspection. Let me flip the camera around real quick. I will show you guys. We're in Steel Creek. If you're familiar with South Charlotte, this is the Berewick community. Great community here in Steel Creek. We're about 5 minutes from the outlet shopping center, 3 miles away from the new River District. Again, I'm telling y'all, the River District is supposed to be a big thing. So here's the community, just to drive around a little bit. So I just pull up, that's the inspector car, and then just kind of show you guys the community. So this home that we have under contract, it is over 3,000 square foot, 4 bedroom, 3 full bath with a bonus room and a loft. And we are under contract less than 400,000. Okay, yes, less than 400,000 on a 3,000 plus square foot home in Steel Creek. And I'll just say this, my buyer, they're excited. We are here for the inspection, so appraisal order came in, everything is good. And we should be closing in the next week or two. Let me show you guys a little bit about this property. Just give you an idea about the home. It's not aesthetically your best. Can you move in? Yes. Can you take your time and fix some stuff? Yes. But for the price you're paying for and the equity that is already in the home, sometimes you just have to take advantage of the market, right? Some of the cosmetic stuff that people will say, oh, I don't want the outdated cabinet. No, you can always change those stuff. Let me show you guys this home real quick and we can talk about that. All right, here we are. So let me flip the camera around real quick and show you guys. So we're all over 3,000 square foot. Alright, so now as we come in, now you come here to the living room. You have very large entrance. Brand new carpet. Let me just show you what a 3,000 square foot look like. Come with me. Now just look how open this is. And let me show you the other side too that I love a lot. This opening right here, look how open this is. Now tell me if this is not worth less than 400,000 in Steel Creek. Yeah, granted. We got outdated cabinet, cosmetic. The beautiful thing about this home that I like too, check this out. You have bedroom downstairs. And a full bath downstairs. So this is perfect for my client's putting his son in here. It's perfect for if you have an in-law staying with you that can go upstairs. They have their own bedroom and bath downstairs. Let's move on. Going upstairs. All right, coming upstairs. You are greeted with an open loft area right up the stairs, right? Look at how big this space is. Very nice open loft area. Then from here, you have your first bedroom. A good sized bedroom. You come out. Here's your bathroom, power bath. So the loft, I'll call this the common area for the family. There goes the second bedroom upstairs. Look how big this is. Look how big this secondary bathroom is, with a 2 double door closet. And you walk out, you're going into the primary bedroom. Look how big this is. Look how big. I don't know if you guys have noticed this, but I have not turned on one single light yet, and it is still very bright, a lot of daylight, right? Look how big this master bedroom is. Now let's check out the master bath. Got a shower area, you got a tub. And here's your master closet, your primary closet. Look at that. So here's the thing about this home. It's not about the home, it's about money, wealth, equity that you're building, buying something like this, right? For us, that is more than just what it has to offer. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the home. Now, the purpose of the video is not so much about touring the home, it's more about the opportunity that is out there for buyers to take advantage of, right? Now, these buyers, my client here, they saw the opportunity and they are taking advantage of it simply, and they didn't take in consideration, because I have had clients that would want all brand new appliances, all brand new cabinet, everything new. But in this case, even if they turn around one day and invest $20,000-$30,000 in upgrading the cabinet to what they like, putting new flooring, painting the house, they just still have equity. So they're buying this house already with equity. So that, for me, that alone beats everything else. So if you're a buyer still on the sideline in 2026 here in Charlotte, there are still opportunities. You just have to look for them and find them. Now is more than the best time, this the window for you to buy, because you have time to negotiate. The time is now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I just wanted to do that video and just talk about the deal that my client is getting. So if you're out there still the sideline thinking of buying, reach out to me. Call me 704-904-5152 and let's get you in the home. There's a lot of opportunities out there. There's a lot of home out there, and there's room to negotiate. So now is a great time to get in this game. So we'll see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.